Maabithaa a borithi mwena wa Kipsitet kaunti ya Kericho ni matharĩkĩire kiganda kia uthondeki wa njohi ngananie. Birigicini ino itafanĩtio muciĩ-inĩ ũmwe mwena wa Muto takuhĩ na mũhaka wa kaunti ya Kericho na kaunti ya Githumo, harĩa macini ya uthondeki wa njohi ngananie na ngari muthemba wa probox cinyitũkĩtio. Munini wa kamishna wa Sion Robert Kimosop ni ahurĩte ũhoro ũcio mũkonde na kuga atĩ maabithaa borithi ni manyitũkĩtie rita 270 ya ithano, iboyo 12 cia maĩ na mĩhũri 35,000 cia rũhonge rwa KEBS hamwe na indo ingĩ.
We have netted 270 liters of ethanol, pure ethanol, and we have around 12 jerrycans of distilled water. We also have a roll of counterfeit stamps which are here, which is around 35,000, one roll of these particular fake counterfeit stamps. We also have the boxes, or counterfeit boxes belonging to companies like Best, Smart, UDV and Qual.
Kimosop ni ongereire na kuga atĩ kiganda kiu kirathondekaga njohi ngananie na kuhũthĩra marĩtwa ma kambuni iria irĩ igweta. Oho ni ongereire na kuga atĩ ekwĩrwo biacara ĩyo nĩ metharire matananyitũkio nĩ maabithaa borithi, no rĩrĩa makũnyitũkio nĩ makuoerwo guoko kwa watho.
We also have the machineries which they are using to seal, to packaging machineries, yes. I urge the community members from this area, Large sub-location, to be on the lookout on any perpetrators of those who are breaking the law in terms of manufacturing without any due process, without following the laid down procedures on manufacturing.
Hii area yetu hatutaki pombe, hatutaki kabisa. Serikali utusaidie. President Ruto utusaidie kabisa. Machiefs wakue wakali.
Na tulikuwa tunakunywanga hii pombe na tukua tunajua inatengenezwa hapa. Sasa kwa msimu kama hii tunaelekea kama Christmas, mtu akipatikana kama anakunywa vitu kama hizi, itakuwa itakuwa imeharibu.
Gerifotera Keo TV, Geteka Waboi Wang'ang'a.